Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today we will see how to make Gaussian Q files, like how to generate some Q files to plot our homolumo levels. That we will see in our today's video. As we have seen that in last tutorial video, I have shown you how to optimize a DMC molecule. So from that files only, I will show you how to make Q files. For that, first thing we know that while submitting any job in Gaussian, we have to have an input file which is having this kind of format, that is dmc.gjf format, or .inp format is also supported here. And it will also generate two further more files, like one is the log file and another is a checkpoint file. So the extension for log is .log and checkpoint is .chk. After that, what I did, what we will do now, from this checkpoint file we have to form another fchk file. So for that I am writing the command here. So the command is fo form chk, then the name of the checkpoint file, so here it is dmc.chk, and then we have to write it simply dmc.fchk. So now press enter. Now our fchk file is generated. You can see that this fchk file is here. Okay, now what we will do now, from this fchk file we will we have to make this Q file. So for that there is another command in Gaussian, that is kubectl 0, and we have to specify that which Q file we want to produce. So here MO, molecular orbital, is HOMO. So I am writing MO equal to HOMO. Then from the fchk dmc.fchk, I will further write DMC HOMO, because we are generating HOMO, so it's better to give the name here. So DMC then .cub, and after that we have to give like 0 and h. This is for the writing purpose. So now press enter. So now you see our HOMO file is generated. So similarly we can generate our LUMO file. So here I am changing the name to LUMO, and here instead of molecular orbital I am giving it as LUMO. Then press enter. So now these two files are generated. So after this we can perform our like as I have shown in our BMD tutorial, like from this Q file we can generate Gaussian HOMO and LUMO levels in BMD, or even also if you want to generate the same using Gaussian also, that also you can generate. But BMD is providing much more better resolution and having much more different colors for the orbitals, but in Gaussian it is little bit limited. So whatever you want, whichever software you want to plot, you can plot with that. So this much I think for today's tutorial. And if I can show you this Gauss view here, I will try to show you that how this will look like here. So I'm opening the Gauss view so that we can plot our HOMO-LUMO here. So now you see, so I have opened the log file of the DMC molecule. Then here there is an option, we have to go to there, like this is the option to plot the surface. So now here then after this you have to come to here, that new Gaussian MOs, then load. Then actually, so you can see that in this particular structure, this is the highest occupied molecular level. So like this is filled up to here, and this is the lowest unoccupied molecular level, and this is the energy value for HOMO and this is for LUMO. So all these values are in actually are in Hartree unit. So for if we want to convert it, we can convert it to EV or kilocalorie per mole or kilojoule per mole, whatever unit you want you can convert. So like this it is arranged. So after that what we have to do, we have to go to this visualize, then update this. So now you can see that, so this is our this is the LUMO plot, and if I will press here, then this is our HOMO for the DMC molecule. So this way you can plot it. And also if you want to save the file also, like if we want to save this HOMO plot for DMC, you have to right click here, then go to file, save image as file. Then here instead of DMC we can specify that this is the HOMO one, HOMO, and you can give the name, even like here it is PNG file or TIFF or any file you want. I am giving here it as PNG, and some other options are here like the width and the background color, whichever you want you can show it. So this one is the background color, which is white. So now you can save it, like okay, save. So now it's saved. And if you want to also save this LUMO one, you can also do the same thing for this. You can change the name from HOMO to LUMO. And another thing here which is important, like the ISO values. So here the ISO value by default is 0.02. If you want to make it further more, like little more, you can also do. So increasing this ISO value, your labels will start decreasing. So now you see the density started decreasing little bit. So this way, like the arrangement, whatever arrangement you want, you can do it like this. So this was the main thing to show in today's video, like how to plot these Q files and how to plot surfaces using Gaussian software. And for BMD I have already shown you, so I will give the link below, so you can try to see that. So yeah, this much, and thank you so much, and have a great day.